guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at one of the newest smartphones from Cherry, the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So if you've been following me dito sa channel ko, I guess naparan nyo na before yung short hands-on natin ng Flare S8 Pro, and for the first time, ma-unbox na natin and ma-hands-on si Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So what can we expect from this smartphone? Well, first we got here a Helio P22 octa-core processor, a 6.5-inch HD+ True View display with 19:9 display aspect ratio, 64 gigs of internal storage, 4 gigs of RAM, 20 plus 5 rear camera, 20 megapixel front camera. Of course, there's USB-C, fingerprint scanner, 4,000 mAh of battery, and it's running on Android 9 Pie with the skin ng Cherry OS 2. And unlike Cherry OS 1, this one is cleaner, better, and faster. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. Yan guys, dito na. Flare S8 Pro. Time to unbox the smartphone. Yan, kitang-kita naman natin mga kaibigan, the Flare S8 Pro. Ito na favorite part nating lahat. Hybrid SIM card pala meron dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. Uy! Glossy back. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. So sa loob, meron tayong kasamang free jelly case. Meron tayong 10 watts charger dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. USB-C to USB-A cable. Meron tayong dongle dito. The pin para sa card tray. And of course, ang quick user guide. Alright guys, so nandito na ang Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng konting minuto. Set-up ko lang ang smartphone na to. Yan po mga kaibigan, in-unbox na natin, sinet-up na natin si Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So, unang-unang mapapansin nyo dito is yung kanyang design. Well, medyo malaki siya. Expected na yun kasi yung display niya naman is malaki. Yeah, that's what she said. It's a 6.5-inch HD+ True View teardrop display with a 19:9 display aspect ratio. It's 19:9, mas matangkad siya compared sa mga normal 16:9 smartphones. And of course, we got here the fingerprint scanner, the dual lens camera, again, so 20 plus 5 rear camera. And of course, we got here the LED flash. Malinis naman siya tignan, although it's very glossy, it's plastic, and we do have a lot of fingerprints kung napapansin niyo dito sa likod. So, maganda pa rin siya tignan. That's what I like about the Flare S8 Pro. Maganda tignan, and malaki yung kanyang display. So, we got here the power button dito sa right, and also the volume rocker. Sa baba, we got here the USB-C, along with the speaker grill. Unfortunately, kung napapansin niyo, wala tayong headphone jack dito. Kaya meron tayong kasamang dongle dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So, yeah, very easy to use naman to. I mean, look at this one. We got, again, curved sides. Hindi naman siya ganun kakapal. So, kahit malaki siya, okay lang. And may kasama naman siyang jelly case, so hindi kayo mahihirapan. So, ito yung kanyang lock screen. So, makikita nyo, malinis siya tignan actually. The lock screen, it's Cherry OS 2. It's a big upgrade compared to the Cherry OS 1. Although it's still running on Android 9 Pie. Wala akong problema doon. It's still Android 9 Pie. Nakikita nyo naman dito the bezel. So, we do have some bezels below and sa taas. The sides aren't that thick compared sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8. We still got here a notch sa taas. Kung mapansin nyo, very minimal notch lang naman sa taas with a little bit of bezel, even to sides. And makikita nyo medyo mataba yung chin niya. It's not that thick, unlike the Flare S8, pero hindi rin siya ganun kanipis. Pero sa akin, overall, okay lang naman yung design niya. I mean, it's an affordable smartphone. Anong i-expect nyo sa smartphone na may affordable price? So, again, it's a massive display at 6.5-inch. Perfect for watching movies, perfect for watching YouTube videos, perfect for watching Jam Online channel, Nax, or perfect for, you know, playing games like Mobile Legends. Again, this one runs on Helio P22 octa-core processor. It's an old processor, but it will do just fine. I mean, it's an affordable smartphone, so wala namang maging problema dun. It's a 6,000 pesos smartphone. Anyway, you can see here the OS. Meron tayong yung assistant, yung cards over here on the by swiping right from the home screen. Makikita nyo dito is yung Google Assistant, the news and everything. Of course, yes, you could use this one, Google Assistant, pero yan, hindi ko siya gagamitin. We got here some files application, the Google application, applications, may kasama ng YouTube Music. And then, of course, we got here the settings, Play Store, Duo, and everything. We got here the Power Manager. So, surprisingly, meron na tayong mga ganitong kasama sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So this one is actually helping you in saving more power for the smartphone. So, kailangan pa siya i-charge kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki yung charge siya ngayon. And, yeah, meron pa tayong ibang other applications dito katulad nito, FM radio, SIM toolkit, and everything. We got here pre-installed Facebook and Instagram saka Google Keep. We got here property systems. I don't know what this is. Check natin. So, basically, it's a virus detection. Although, I doubt na meron kayong mga virus dito sa smartphone nyo unless hindi mag-install kayo outside of Google Play Store. Of course, we got here the theme, sound recorder, clock, Google application. We got here compass, high weather. Gamebox is basically yung parang compilation ng games. So, optimize yung smartphone nyo para mas maganda yung performance na magagawa nyo dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. We got here cell broadcast, which is basically nothing, and then messenger. So, yeah, basically, ito na yung kanyang software. What I like about it is that it's faster, it's cleaner. Although we have a lot of pre-installed applications on this one, nakita nyo naman mga sinabi ko, hindi siya ganun karami compared sa other smartphone manufacturers sa may Lazada, some I don't know, Weezing, mga ganon. So, web novel. So, mga ganong applications. Dito naman, hindi siya ganon dito sa Flare S8 Pro. So, medyo useful naman to. And the Cherry OS 2, again, malaking improvement siya over Cherry OS 1. Kasi dito sa Cherry OS 2, parang mas malapit siya sa vanilla Android. Di ko mapansin na parang may Cherry OS pala to. Pero parang wala kasi mabilis siya and madali siyang gamitin. And then, of course, meron tayong camera application. So again, we got here 20 plus 5 megapixel rear camera. And of course, a 20 megapixel front camera. So, makikita nyo naman dito, we got here the different modes. We got here the panorama, watermark, GIF, time-lapse video, pro mode, and QR code. So, meron din tayo ditong filters, AI mode. So, nakakatulong to sa better optimization na shots, flash, video. So, sa video, check natin kung ano yung kaya natin. So, we can record at 1080p. Okay, not that bad. Meron tayong 1080p video recording sa smartphone na to. We got here beauty mode, we got here face cute, and we got here bokeh mode. Unfortunately, yung bokeh mode natin is still using yung radial blur and not yung normal blur, I think. So, let's see. So, the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro, it's trying its best to get the best bokeh shot on this one. However, hindi siya, parang I'm not sure if this is even radial. So, they're trying to blur out the background dito sa bokeh mode, pero it's not that good. Actually, hindi ko nahihirapan ako makita yung kagandahan niya dito sa bokeh mode. But here's the normal shots that we took earlier. So this one is low light actually. So maganda yung nakuha kong colors, may details. Yes, medyo ma-noise lang siya, pero surprise ako sa colors na nakuha ko dito sa Flare S8 Pro. So this one is another shot. So ito well-lit condition. Nakikita niyo may details ng pencil. The colors are just fine. It's not the sharpest photo that I've seen, pero yung colors na nakuha dito is okay. So this is selfie mode, medyo wash out and sobrang beautified naman ng mukha ko. Halos kuminis na talaga, parang binuhusan ng powder. So yan, ito yung selfie camera. So if you like yung mga ganito, may mga tao kasi gusto talaga yung ganitong filter para may filter yung dating. So mas parang mas kumikinis ka lalo. So here's another one. So this is a lot better, na wala masyadong AI. Ito, nag-improve naman yung selfie dito. And surprisingly, okay siya. Although, medyo na-pale yung kulay ng balat ko. Maitim ako, pero alam kong pale yung kulay ng balat ko dito. So, this one is shot outside. Although, it's a little bit overblown in this part. But the colors over here are fine. So, yes. Okay lang siya. Yan. This is overblown talaga. So, yan. Here's a normal auto mode. Nakikita niyo naman details nung sa toy natin. Just a fine details na expect natin. So, yan. Ito pa. Oh. Again, the pencils, makikita nyo naman yung details niya. Maganda yung details na nakuha natin dito sa Flare S8 Pro. Yung colors talaga yung nagpapanalo sa akin dito sa Flare S8 Pro pagdating sa camera. It's an affordable smartphone, so I'm not expecting too much from it. Pero, yeah, I think okay lang naman. Except for some shots medyo overblown. And, yeah, the selfie needs some work. And also the bokeh mode. So, yeah, guys, that's it for the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. Dito sa kanya, takeaway talaga dito is the large screen. We got your Helio P22 octa-core processor, old but still working. Actually, makikita nyo mabilis naman yung Cherry OS and sobrang smooth naman niya. So, wala akong nagiging problema with regard sa kanyang processor. Of course, okay naman yung design niya kahit na malaking smartphone. So, yeah, wala lang tayong dongle and camera needs some work. So, yeah, I guess that's it for unboxing hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And, of course, don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that bell button. And, of course, huwag nyo kalimutan bisitahin yung mga social media accounts ko, facebook.com/group/jamonlineph and facebook.com/jamonlineph. So, once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.